My name is Juan Delgado. I am 26 years old. I am from Agua Azul, Casanare. I am an industrial engineering student. I work a career for a company. I like playing soccer and traveling by motorcycle around Colombia. I do not like the disorder. These are my activities in a normal day. I wake at 6 am. Then I get ready for work. My work schedule is 8 hours, started at 8 am to 12 p.m., continuing the lunch hour of 2 hours. I rather to work from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. I arrived at the apartment to organize it. Then I have dinner at 7 p.m. I do college work from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. and finally go to bed.